Attendance sheet is the sheet in which we maintain daily attendance of the employees. In this sheet, we are going to restrict few things like weekends or say Saturdays, Sundays and holidays. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is an attendance sheet which I have created in advance. There are few things like month and year. Months and years will be managed by drop downs. When I'll be clicking over here, we can see name of all the months. Over here from 2022 till 2033 I have mentioned. When we will be changing the month, all the things will be changed like start date, end date, all the dates from 1st till 31st will be changed. Holidays will be changed, even the highlights will be changed, days will be changed. When I'll do it February, we can see that all the highlighted dates, our Saturdays and Sundays as well as our holidays are changed. Even the days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these things are also changed. When we will come to extreme right side, here it's total present, total absent, total week offs, total holidays, paid leaves and unpaid leaves. All the things will be calculated. One thing more, when we will be changing the month, currently it's January, when we will do it February, you will notice that after 28th, it's showing EOM, means end of the month, and it's highlighted. When I'll try to insert some figure over here or I'll try to put present over here, we will see what happens. So I'm not able to insert any data. It's showing off day, holiday or end of the month. Same thing in our weekends. We are not able to insert any data. In holidays also, we are not able to insert anything. But in weekdays, we can insert our data like present, absent, paid leaves or unpaid leaves. So all the data is getting managed in our weekdays, but our weekends and holidays are restricted. Now we will create a new sheet. To create a new sheet, we will have to open a new worksheet or blank sheet and we will type month over here, months. Here we will type year. In months we will type from January till December. We will drag this. Year we will insert from 2022 till 2033. Now we will be coming to another cell and we will insert dates, and over here holidays. We will insert the dates of our holidays over here and name of the holidays will be mentioned over here. I have already got a list of my holidays as well as dates, so I'll be doing copy and paste over here. So this is the list of my holidays. Now we will select all the months and we will be going to formula tab, and in formulas we will be selecting define name. We will click over here and we will give it a name. So name will be months and we will do OK. Same with year, we will select all the years and we will be defining the name. So name will be years. We will do OK. Holiday dates we will be selecting and we will be going to formulas and we will define the name. So we will give it a name as holidays. We will do OK. So these things are done. Now we will be creating our attendance sheet. This is a blank attendance sheet which I have created to save the time because formatting takes hell amount of time. Now we will insert our months and our months will be managed by drop downs. To create drop downs we will have to go in data, then data validation. From here we will select the list. In source we will type is equal to months, months. When we will type months, this sheet will be connected from the list of months and year which we had created in the very beginning. We will do OK and our drop down is created over here. We will be coming to year and we will be going to data, then data validation. From here we will select list. Source is equal to years. We will do OK and our drop down of years is also created over here. I'll take year as 2023 because the list of my holidays is of 2023 and not of 2022 or 2024. Now we will be inserting start and end date. The formula of start date is plus date value bracket open, double inverted comma, 1, double inverted comma, close, and we will select month and we will select year, bracket close, enter. So our first date is inserted. When we will change the month, our first date is also getting changed. Now we will be inserting the formula of end date, and the formula of end date is plus or equal to EO month, means end of the month, EOMONTH, bracket open, we will select the first date, comma, 0 bracket close and enter. So our last date or end date is also inserted, and this will be managed with our month. When we will change the month, our end date and start date is getting changed. Now we will insert the dates over here. To insert the first date, I'll click plus or equal to, I'll select the first date and I'll do enter. Here you will notice that it's showing 01. In case it's not showing in your system, just right click the mouse, go to format cells, go to custom, and over here delete general and type DD and do OK, and it will be showing 01, 02, 03. Now we will be inserting the formula for second. So our formula will be plus if bracket open, we will select the first date is smaller than, we will select the last date, comma, we will select the first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma, and here we will type EOM, means end of the month. So in the month of February, after 28th, it will be showing EOM, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and over here in E3, we will insert dollar. To insert dollar, our command will be function F4, enter. Now we will drag this till end. One thing you will notice that after 28th in the month of Feb, it's showing EOM. We will change the month, and over here it's showing date till 31st. We will freeze the panes. I'll be coming to right side. We will be doing it April, and in April after 30th it's showing EOM, end of the month. So these things are done. Now we will insert the day, and the formula for day will be plus text bracket open, we will select the first date, comma, double inverted comma, TDD, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and enter. Now we will drag this till end. Over here after 30th, it's showing EOM, end of the month. When we will change to February, after 28th, it's showing EOM in dates as well as days. Now we will be coming to extreme right hand side, and we will insert the formula of total present, total absent, and so on. So our formula for total present will be plus or equal to countif bracket open, and we will select from first to last date or last to first date, comma, double inverted comma, P double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will do enter. So our formula is inserted over here. We will format this. We will take in center. For total absent also, the formula will be same, plus or equal to countif bracket open, select from first to last or from last to first, comma, double inverted comma, A double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and enter. For paid leaves and unpaid leaves, the formula will be same. So we will be doing these things first, and after that we will be coming to total week offs and total holidays. For paid leaves, we are going to put PL, and for unpaid leaves we are going to use UL, comma, double inverted comma, UL, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, enter. Now we will select all this and we will drag this till end. So all the formulas are inserted over here. Now we are going to calculate our week offs, and the formula will be plus or equal to countif bracket open. We will select days from first till last, comma, double inverted comma, SAT means Saturday, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, plus we will open bracket, plus countif bracket open. Again we will select from first till last day of the month, comma, double inverted comma, SUN for Sunday, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and enter. So all our week offs are counted over here. Before dragging this, we will have to insert dollar over here in the cell value. So over here in AJ6, we will insert dollar over here between F and 6, dollar, dollar, and over here also $1. We will do enter. Now we will drag this till end. So all our week offs are getting calculated over here. Total holidays. Total holidays, we are not going to insert the formula here right now because we will have to calculate the holidays first. So we will be doing these things in the end. Now we will be highlighting all the Saturdays and Sundays. To highlight Saturdays and Sundays, we will have to select this, and we will have to go in conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now we will be inserting the formula over here, and the formula will be plus or equal to, we will select the first day is equal to double inverted comma SAT double inverted comma close, and we will remove first dollar from here, means the dollar which is behind F, we will remove this. We will be going to custom format from the drop down, fill, no color, we will be selecting red color over here, and we will do OK, and over here OK. You will see that all the Saturdays are highlighted automatically. Now we will highlight our Sundays. So we will be going to conditional formatting once again, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, equal to, we will select the first day is equal to double inverted comma SUN double inverted comma close, and we will remove the first dollar from here. We will be going to drop down, custom format, fill, we will select red color from here, and we will do OK. All the Saturdays and Sundays are highlighted over here. When I'll be changing the month and I'll be selecting January, all the days and highlights are getting changed automatically. Now we have to insert our holidays and we have to highlight our holidays too. To insert holidays, we will have to insert a formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to if error bracket open, if bracket open once again, we will select the first date is equal to double inverted comma 2 times comma 1 comma match bracket open. We will select first date once again, means F5 comma holidays comma 0. We will close the bracket 2 times comma double inverted comma twice. We will close bracket once again, and we will do enter. So our holidays are inserted over here. I have put holidays over here, and this sheet got connected with the very first sheet which we have created in the very beginning. So we will drag this till end, and you will notice that our holidays are showing over here. When I'll be changing the month and I'll be doing February, our holidays are on 18th and 19th. We will be going to our holiday list and we will check that our 18th and 19th are holidays or not. 18th Feb and 19th Feb, it's in the list and it's showing as holidays. Now we will be highlighting our holidays. To highlight holidays, we will have to select all this from first till last date of the month. We will be going to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will be selecting classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and our formula will be plus or equal to countif bracket open holidays comma, we will select the first date. We will remove dollar from here. We will close the bracket and we will do custom format. Fill, from here we will select a color. We will take this as blue. We will do OK, and we will do OK over here. You will notice that our holidays are highlighted over here. When I'll be changing the month, January, our holidays are getting highlighted over here. In case you don't want your Sundays to be highlighted in some other color and you want it to be highlighted in red color only, you will have to select the whole sheet. You will have to go in home, then conditional formatting. From here you will have to go in manage rules, and over here you will have to get it down. So I have taken it down, OK, and you will notice that Saturdays and Sundays are highlighted in red and rest of the holidays are highlighted in blue. Now we will do some formatting for our holidays also. We will select this from first date till last date. We will be going to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule between, and over here we will type 0 and over here 50. From drop down we will be going to custom format, fill, we will select a color like yellow. We will be going to font, and our font color will be red. We will do it bold. Now we will be going to border and we will select a border over here. Our borders are done. We will do it OK. OK. So our holidays are highlighted over here in yellow. Now we will be doing one more thing. We will right click this and we will be going to format cells. We will be going to custom and we will delete general from here, and we will put HD for holidays, and we will take this HD in double inverted comma. We will give space and we will put hash and we will do OK. Now you can see that over here HD is inserted, and when we will be changing the month, all the things will be getting changed. HD4, HD5. Now we will restrict our weekends as well as holidays. For that we will have to go in data and data validation. From here we will be going to custom and we will be inserting a formula, and our formula will be plus or equal to, we will select the first day, smaller than, greater than, we will insert a dollar over here. We will take this in bracket, double inverted comma SAT double inverted comma close, bracket close, into bracket open. We will select this once again, smaller than, greater than, double inverted comma SUN for Sunday, double inverted comma close. We will insert a dollar over here, bracket close, into bracket open. We will select this once again, smaller than, greater than, double inverted comma EOM means end of the month. We will insert dollar over here. We will close the bracket, into, we will open the bracket once again, and this time we are going to select our holidays. Is equal to, we are not going to put smaller than or greater than. This time we will have to insert is equal to double inverted comma 2 times, bracket close, and we will insert a dollar over here. Now we will be going to error alert, and we will be putting our title, and our title will be 𝐿𝐴𝐸/EOM means end of the month / holidays, and we will insert error message over here, and the error message will be can't insert anything. We will do OK, and we will drag this till down and till our last date of the month. Now we will insert something over here. We are not able to insert anything because it got restricted, and we are getting the error alert message as 𝐕𝐶𝐽𝑜𝑚 means end of the month or holidays. Cancel. We will take this to right side, and we will be changing the month, and we will be doing it February, and over here our EOM is not getting highlighted. Now we will have to highlight our end of the month column, means after 28th it's showing EOM and not getting highlighted. We will select all this once again. We will be going to home, then conditional formatting. From here new rule, classic. From drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and over here we will insert our formula. We will take this little bit this side, and our formula will be plus or equal to, we will select the first day, is equal to double inverted comma EOM means end of the month, double inverted comma close, and we will remove dollar from here. We will be selecting custom format. From here we will be selecting red color, and we will do OK. Now our EOM end of the month thing is highlighted. We will try to insert something over here, and it's showing week of EOM or holidays, means this is also restricted. One thing is left over here, our holidays, our total holidays. So the formula for total holidays will be plus or equal to count, bracket open, and we will take this, means all the cells of our holidays from first till last date of the month, bracket close, and enter. Over here we got our 2 holidays, but we can't drag like this. We will have to insert dollar so that cell value doesn't get changed. Now we will do enter, and we will drag this till end. Now all the things are done over here. If you want to do conditional formatting for your present days, your absent days, your paid leaves, your unpaid leaves, you can do that. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.